Hi, this is Teacher J and welcome to Minds Tutorial. So yung lesson natin ngayon is still about geometry. So kung makikita mo dito, meron tayong circle, okay? In which meron tayo ditong secant. Ano ba yung secant? Sinabi nating secant, ito yung line that passes 2 points on the circle. So kung makikita mo dito, meron tayong dalawang secant. Okay? Tapos ito ay angle X. So ito yung hahanapin natin. And yung given lang is yung angle dito. Yung ito. Okay? So, sa arc na to, that is measure 60 degrees. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan, of course, we have to find the value of X here. Okay? Hahanapin natin yung angle dito. So, to find the value of X there, we have to know the relationship. Okay? Find the value of X there, we have to know the relationship. Okay? So, meron tayo ditong arc. So, sabihin natin, this is arc AB. And meron din tayong arc dito. Sabihin natin, this is arc CD. And para malaman natin yung angle dito, we have to use the relationship of arc AB and arc CD. So, to find the value of X, we have to find the difference of arc AB and arc CD. And that is X. Okay? So, yung arc AB, walang value dito. Yan ang problema. Dito, may 60. So, that is arc CD. That is minus 60 degrees. So, ito yung problema natin. Hahanapin muna natin yung measurement ng arc AB. So, dito, may nakalagay na 100 degrees. So, from A going to C, that is 100 degrees. At kung makikita mo dito, may nakalagay na ganyan at ganyan. Ibig sabihin, this side dito is equal. Okay? So, kapag 100 dito, ibig sabihin, 100 degrees din dito. Okay? Kapag i-add natin yan lahat, 100 plus 60 plus 100, that is 260 in all. Ano ba yung measurement ng buong circle? That is 360. So ngayon, isa-subtract natin yung 360 degrees minus 100 plus 60 plus 100, that is 260. Yung natira na lang is 100. So, ibig sabihin, this arc dito, arc AB, measures 100 degrees also. Okay? So, meron na tayong value ng AB. Meron din tayong value ng CD. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na natin makuha yung X dito. So, ano yung arc AB natin? That is 100 degrees. So, if you gotta subtract that, that is 40 degrees is equal to X. But remember, I forgot, we have to divide it by 2 pala. Okay? So, 40 degrees divided by 2, that is 20 is equal to X. So, 20 degrees. So, the value of X here is equivalent to 20 degrees. Okay? And that's all. And I hope na may natutunan ka on how to find the outside angle of a circle. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope na hindi mo siya makalimutan. And do not forget to like and share this video. And huwag mo na rin kalimutan i-subscribe yung channel natin para mas maraming mga kabataan na nahihirapan sa kanilang math lessons ang ating matutulungan. So once again, this is Teacher J saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!